have been busy, and there's nothing that pressures me quite like the deadline to have a race car ready to go racing. And this isn't even for me, but still on me. So it's Tuesday. I'm putting some gauges together because I had to take them apart so I could use this as a template. They were all put together, all nice and beautifully. And then, yeah, now I'm trying to get them all back together. And half of the stuff on here, much like editing, is just so tedious. Struggling with some front axles because everything he had was bent. All the spindles are straight, but the parts on the spindles are bent. It's all titanium and aluminum. Just kept breaking tools, having to go back to the tool place. Finally got 3 of them apart, all excited because I had enough to build a front end. And I broke the tool again on the 4th one and couldn't get all the stuff tightened, you know, because I broke the tool, you know, and it's just been kind of frustrating, but that's how it goes with race cars. And this thing is turning out really nice. Welcome back to the channel. I have been busy building this race car. We just got to Earl's, and let's go check Earl's out. Yeah, so I've been busy making a paycheck, and didn't have a whole lot of time. I got a motor plate for this car on last Monday, and we're racing it this Friday. So walking into Earl's to do some plumbing. You did make it. Look at the mailman.
We're here. We're making it happen.
Yeah, we are.
Okay?
Yeah,
we're making it happen. Look at you. You're drinking Mexican pop. Man.
I know.
I
went to the Tamale Palace.
Good. Okay.
I went to the Tamale Palace.
Hey, Thomas.
Hi. First time we've had it on the ground. Looks pretty nice just sitting there. Got some positive arm angle. And Johnny is back, so Johnny's gonna pull the hood off. I'm gonna go get some fuel lines. There it is. Boom. So I've done a lot of race cars down here at Earl's, so he does all the fancy line. I'm just doing push lock because that's really all it needs. Get all my fittings, get all my parts, put them on there, cut some line, start putting stuff together. So Chuck got some vinyl going here, and we just wrapped up on the fuel system. Got some lines there going through there. And I pretty much just had to pump. I plumbed the fuel lines off of the pump to the fuel switch, and to this awesome collector setup. So done down here at Earl's. Can't thank Earl's enough for what they do, letting me come in here and just kind of do my own thing, in and out in 2 hours. Today we are at Atomic Speedway. It's kind of a new day for me because I am crew chiefing on a midget, that one right there. And we are at an extreme outlaw midget race, also with the World of Outlaws. What's up? And so this place is super exciting. Big, fast, nasty racetrack. Probably the biggest track the Extreme Outlaw Midgets race on all year long. I'm gonna go ahead and say it's like a small half mile or a 4/10 of a mile. Place is high bank, slick to the fence here in Ohio. So what's your boy been up to? I've been working on building a midget, and when you're thrashing, you don't have time to edit. So I turned on the camera some, filmed a little bit, but didn't have the time to do what I really wanted to with filming. So got the camera at the track, got a camera on the kids' car, and I'm just walking up to look at the track for the first time. Like I said, we got the World of Outlaws down here, and it's gonna be an amazing show. Look, we even got David Gravel here. David Gravel. How's it looking, David?
Looks fast.
Looks bad. I love this place.
How you feeling?
Feeling good, thank you.
Good?
Thanks for asking.
You guys will be wide open, I'm sure.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Man, it looks like they got some water on it even. There it is. Car I've been working on for last week, and it turned out really nice. We got Corbin Ruschenberg. We're driving it. What's that? Yeah, he's got the tires all set.
Got them all marked?
Yep. It's got a perfect matched stagger. She is ready to go. So all the hard work, hopefully, so we didn't have a chance to fire this thing. They just blew the horn to fire it. Come on, let's go. Yes, it is alive. Oh, it fired off. Took a minute, but it's fired off. We didn't have a heater, so she was cold. And these race engines don't like the cold. I don't know that we're going to have time to change anything gear-wise because we're first out. All right, so we're getting ready to go qualify, and apparently the transponder wasn't working, so they put a transponder on the car. I'm up here in the grandstands. Getting ready to see it go. It went pretty good in practice. It ran, and I'm happy about that with midgets. You know, you don't have to tune them or anything because it's electronic ignition, so was happy because we didn't fire it. I highly do not recommend not firing your race car before you get to the racetrack. I was stressing out, but all is good. We're about to qualify.
The guys that do it full-time for a living anymore. It's, you know, it's a developmental series, a developmental division, and man, the young talent that's on display that we get to see with this series is just incredible. You know, there's guys that want to go to NASCAR from here, but a lot of drivers that, you know, use the midget series as a stepping stone to be able to run with World of Outlaws, now Synergy during sprint cars one day too. So a lot of young talent with this series. It's fun stuff.
The exception to that man was fastest in qualifying in this heat race. Zach Dom getting outside of row number 2.
Dom is so good. He only gets better with age in a midget, it seems like. And ever since he got in that trifecta 7U, he and those guys have really meshed well.
Caution lights on. We are set for the green flag. 10 laps the distance. Points the name of the game. Points based on finishing position and positions gained as the green flag waves on the Toyota heat race for the Extreme Outlaw Midgets presented by Toyota.
thing blew out some water, put a new radiator cap on it, and we're filling it up. It's the only downside to this motor right now so far. That's the highest point, and that's like 6 inches lower. So got the thing jacked up here, and making pretty good progress. I've changed some bars, trying to get Corbin comfortable. He's been racing a wing car, and this midget is not a wing car, so getting him comfortable and working out some bugs. We've been having brake problems, so I went ahead and moved the brake pedal off of the firewall about an inch to get him some brake. So now at least when it hits, he's got some more room against the firewall. Yep, tanked it, put some fuel in it, and man, this place is fast, so gotta just kind of be smart. First night in it, we got tomorrow. We're hoping to just get some laps and have a good night. You know, so far we're having fun at the races, living my best life. You know the deal. Oh yeah, it is go time. They just blew the horn, and we are waiting for Corbin to get in his hot rod. Hey, and as always, thank you so much for watching TmezTv, out here living my best life. I know I'm not driving, and I'm not a rock star, but I am enjoying myself. Built this beautiful race car in the last 2 weeks. Did it all myself, so pretty proud of the way this thing turned out. It's running, and we were making speed in the heat race. Corbin's doing a good job. We just need to get some laps, get comfortable, new setup, new car, big fast track, so. Race car just rolled out to hit the track, and I thought I would spend a little bit of time in here organizing. We really, first night racing the thing, I didn't get the thing done until last night at like 10 o'clock, so we haven't had much time to organize the trailer. So I'm gonna spend some time and clean up right now. We found a water leak, and we didn't have any brakes. I had a feeling the brakes were gonna be the issue. Wing cars are out there, but I got work to do. It's nice and cool right now. When you need parts and you're in Ohio, this is where you go. Just walked into Jegs for some parts. Wow, it's impressive. Need valve cover? Holy valve cover races, look at this.